Welcome to Pencil Paper Pals.
Hey pals, today I'm going to teach you how to draw this very simple poppy in honour of Anzac Day. So let's begin. Now you're going to need a pen or a pencil or a texture or whatever you want to draw with. I'm going to use this thick texture here and we'll get started. In the middle of your page you're going to draw a circle. That's going to be the centre of your poppy. So I'm going to draw a nice circle here, just like so. Now, our poppy has 4 big, beautiful red petals. So from the top here, you're going to come down, back down to your circle, and you're going to come out and do 1 petal like that. We're going to do from the bottom, we're going to do a nice big petal at the bottom. Now, the reason I've gone from top to bottom is because this will allow you to better space the side ones. So they kind of touch, as you can see here. So you're going to want to come out, around, down, and then back so this one touches as well, and then this way again, like so. There we go. Now our poppy has 3 lines going from the center circle out to onto each petal. So we'll do those lines. So 1, 2, 3, and if you make the middle line a little bit longer, just adds a bit of depth. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, the centre of our poppy, there's little dots inside a poppy. And so we're going to do those little dots like so. Just put in as many dots as you want. No right or wrong. And so now we've done the poppy flower part, we're just going to do these petals here. So you see they're sort of like zigzaggy bumps, almost like a cloud, I suppose, that come up to a bit of a point. So wherever you think they might suit, I might do one down here. So we're going to come out and we're going to bump like so. And we're going to come back out and we're going to bump. And then for the top, we're sort of going to come up to a point, back down, and then we're going to do the reverse on the way back down to make our leaf. I'm going to do another one here. Like so. And now we have a poppy. And we can colour it in. So I'm going to choose these 3 colours, are probably the best for the poppy. Red for the flower, green for the leaves, and black for the centre. And we can colour them in. And then lucky last, the black for the centre. All done. And there you have 1 beautiful poppy for Anzac Day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.